to the William. So welcome back to the William fam. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. My girl is up and I got a few things to do. And then, well, I want to get a car wash today. And maybe why open the blinds? Because the blinds need to be open. Look at this one here.
I want ice cream.
You want ice cream at how much o'clock in the morning?
Yeah. I had any yesterday.
You don't need to have any. So because you didn't have any yesterday, you want ice cream now. Yeah, so I got a few things that I gotta do. Got up and got myself together. I'm about to make my some breakfast quickly. Then we got to head out to go get some earning around done. So I'm gonna make him some egg and I think sausages. I still have some sausage for breakfast. One of these days I want to get up and make some dumpling and banana and Atkins saltfish for breakfast. I have not had that in so long. Since back to the JA. I miss that, you know, and I miss like having the nice liver and all that, and liver and dumpling and them something. I miss having those things. So where is the sausage?
What do you mean?
Oh.
Up in the fridge.
Oh, these?
Oh yeah, those
Okay, so there's two. So I'm just gonna make, so I'm gonna hurry up and just whip up something quick for me and him, and then hopefully he'll be up. Hello, Eunice, you're sitting here drinking a big bowl of cereal. Because all these kids drink is cereal. Pretty much cereal. So I'm gonna quickly whip up this thing here, and then, let me get these thawed.
Let me look at my muffin bag.
Oh, you guys can eat them.
I know.
You told me that the other day, you know, and I didn't, forgot to tell you guys. You guys could have had them. So I put on the thing to make some tea right now for me and him. Because, you know, I need some tea. And, I was wondering if I should do an omelet. I think I might do that. So, I know he's really picky when it comes to certain stuff. The hot dogs are pretty much finished.
I was gonna make egg butt.
Yeah, so I think I'm just going to make some breakfast omelet for breakfast. And so that is what I am going to do. You know, these are nuggets, right? You guys can have.
What?
These are chicken. What do they call?
Yeah.
They're chicken bites. But you have to warm them up.
What's in these?
So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna cut out some of these. I'm gonna make omelet with like bell peppers and stuff like that for myself, but for him,
Mommy, what
it's just cheese. Huh? Yo, Fate! Oh my lord. So so I'm gonna make some onions. So I'm gonna make myself.
Where is a small pot?
That.
Just wash.
Oh lord. Let me see if I can put you guys somewhere while I make this. Me? Yeah. Almost you. I put nobody else. And I'm gonna throw on the hot dogs now. Let me turn this stove on.
I forgot that you can put tinfoil in the microwave.
Huh?
I said I totally forgot that you could have put tinfoil in the microwave.
Oh, you forget? Never forget that you can't put tinfoil in the microwave.
I put a spoon in the microwave before.
Very
and I took it out.
Very dangerous. Okay, so for his omelet, I'm just going to push these. What? Shoot!
Mommy, why do you put them back in that?
Oh, I'm gonna throw them out after, but I'll just put them there for now. Okay. Okay, and then I put a little bit of milk. And I put dairy. And I got my pepper here. But that's a little better. Seasoning pan it. Whisk it up. Let me get these bad boys cut and in the frying pan.
See, when you boil them, they're bigger. You boil them and then you just fry them.
I gotta get some more of them. I like them. They're nice, quick. You know? Snack.
My beer's dying.
Everything's dying, Faith.
I know, because my school charger is empty. So I'm gonna have to use my physical phone.
So let me get rid of these. I hope you guys can see what is going on. My head's kind of
I'm
cut
doing
out
like 2 different things.
in here. Okay, cut up a little pepper in mine. Because I want pepper, I want onions in mine. So after I'm gonna make an omelet. There's the bread. So I'm gonna put in 2 toasts for him. You like them?
They're hot.
So I usually prep and put the bread down in the toaster and have them ready. Okay. Alright. I'll whisk this bad boy up for him. And get some cheese. I'll make this one crumpled up. I wonder what kind of, I wonder if he wants his Milo tea or he wants regular tea.
Where since it's my doing regular tea?
Yeah. He's been doing it a lot lately.
All we have to do is just make the tea less sweet and add less Milo.
No, it just doesn't really help. Sometimes you have to wean off of it for a little bit. Well, that's a lot. I don't need that much bell pepper. So my hot dogs. So I got the sausages frying right now. Let me see. Don't know what that is, so that will go there. Okay, don't need that much of that. So, but my omelet's gonna be jam-packed. So I'm literally just cutting up the bell peppers right now. In here. Let me go check on the... I'm going to go check on the sausages. So the sausages are almost finished. I'm just gonna grab some napkin. Okay, let me get the plate ready so I can get them out. Okay, so got my sausages here. I'm gonna put in alright, and I'm putting in the cheese. Let me see for you guys. They can't really see, but this bad boy to fry. So I'm making my omelet there. So I'm just waiting, and then I'm going to flip it over and get it done. Let me put y'all up in here. There goes the kettle. Spread ready. Where's the ketchup? Oh. I got our 2 big cups here. I'm trying this other ginger tea, seeing how it works, but we will see how it goes. These are the package one. I bought like 2 more tea, but I don't know. These teas nowadays, they ain't ish. They ain't ish. I'm just mixing his stuff, so I'm gonna bring up his stuff to him just now, and then come back down and finish my breakfast. I say it's been a while he's gotten breakfast in bed. I haven't been able to be in bed to get any breakfast because he's been a very busy man lately. I got so much things on the go. Alright, so I'm gonna add 1 little tips to it. So I'm gonna give him a little bit of whipped cream. So, a little bit of whipped cream. Bring you guys over here. I'm going to plate his food.
When did you get that? Oh, you're actually wearing eyeshadow?
Yeah, the new one. So, alright guys. So, there's happy breakfast. Oh. Okay. Alright guys, there's happy breakfast. So I'm gonna bring him his food and come back. Oh, I need to catch up.
It's right here.
Hold on. Please. Okay. So, I'm gonna bring up hubby his breakfast and I will be back, guys. Faith's gonna take over the kitchen for me to help me make my breakfast. Okay. So, time to put these stuff away. We're done.
I'm just gonna so long today.
Yeah. Time to plate my food. Got my tea. So I'm about to eat. My Faith's just here finishing breakfast for me, but it's finished now. So I'm about to eat, and then here, Faith, you can scrape it in here. Here, let me put it down so you can scrape it. My toast is already. So, the girl's about to chow down on some food. And we're gonna get our day started.
Yep. I'm gonna get my day started in my bed.
Oh, we got things to do. So
You got things to do?
I'm about to do it right now. So, just some scrambled eggs I did. I was gonna do an omelet, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to turn out, so I'll let's grab that, scramble it.
Ow!
So, there's my breakfast. I just got some scrambled eggs, some toast. I don't like my toast dark, so I usually lightly toast it. And I just got myself some chicken sausage. Well, chicken hot dog. These are the jumbo ones, the small ones. And I have this new ginger tea that I'm trying. My big cup. Almost the size of my face. Ginger, I don't know what is going on. Even the peppermint tea up here, it just does not taste the same. It's weak. Say weak and shrivel up, but it's okay. I'm gonna go sit at the table now and eat, and then I will get back to you guys in a bit. Yes.
We day a lot of rough fears we see. No one will left now. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me could be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.